Fashion AI is a website that allows you to try on different clothes and visualize how a model would look in different sort of shirts and trousers, swap the models that are in an image whilst preserving the background and the exact pose, and also expand an image's background. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So we're going to be looking into fashion AI today, and we're going to be seeing how it could potentially be useful to anyone in the fashion industry. So we're going to go for clothing try on. And what we're going to do here is we're going to generate an AI model, or better still, let's use a picture of me. So I'll be using this image of myself on top of a mountain wearing my branded sweater. And what I'll be doing is I'm going to be changing the top. So what I'll do is I'll select another picture of myself where I'm wearing a different top. Okay, cool. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run this model and see what we get here. So apparently the record for the fastest time to dress a mannequin, I think I saw, was about 36 seconds. The world's largest shoe store is the Dubai Mall, which has over 3,000 shoe brands. Okay, cool. Got some interesting facts. Okay, interesting. So we've got we've got this here, and perhaps this actually works best if you're taking a picture of just the clothes, I've just realized. But either way, this is still an interesting way to experiment with different kind of clothes. As you can see here, the shirt isn't really matching the shirt I have on here, and there's no tie. It's a different color, but the suit itself is actually still there, and yeah, so is the handkerchief that's in the pocket. So yeah, this is a pretty cool, useful way to actually experiment with different kind of clothes. And I'm pretty sure it works better if you use a picture of just some clothes, but I'm not necessarily in the fashion industry like that, so I don't just have pictures of clothes lying around. It's worth giving this a try if you're in the fashion industry and you're just looking to see what certain clothes would look like on certain models. They also have a plan that allows you to actually swap the model in the image. I can actually select the scenario. I'm going to select European street, and I'm going to select male model, and I'm going to select change model. But what I'll also do is I'll match the background composition, which preserves the layout and composition of the original background whilst adapting to the chosen scenery. So let's see how this looks. Okay, cool. So it took a few seconds here, but wow, I'm actually very impressed with this result. I could of course upscale this image, but yeah, this is really cool. If I ever wanted to sell these as a merch, then yeah, this is an easy way to generate content. And then of course I could, put this into image to video platform and then animate this sort of content, and then just create entire sort of adverts and marketing campaigns around particular bits of merch. So yeah, I think this model swap feature is really cool. I think this is definitely something that would be useful in the future for anyone who's in the fashion industry or anyone who's thinking of actually producing merch. So for example, this JI jumper doesn't even exist. It was just part of an image I generated. What you could do to validate the product is make a bunch of content around a particular fashion item, animate it, change the models as I've shown you here. You could use any sort of image to video platform like Hey Luo or Kling to animate the visuals, and then see whichever ones do the best on social media platforms or content platforms are the ones you could put into production. So you're essentially validating the merchandise as a viable product before you actually put it into production. So yeah, I think this has a lot of scope for changing the way industries are run in terms of actually validating fashion ideas before putting them into production. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.